Once upon a time, in a quaint little town named Sweetville, lived a curious young girl named Lily. She had a peculiar passion for baking, especially for cookies. One day, she stumbled upon an ancient-looking cookie jar while rummaging through her attic. Lily's heart skipped a beat as she opened the dusty jar, revealing not ordinary cookies, but ones that shimmered with a magical glow. Intrigued, she decided to bake them and share them with her friends. As she mixed the dough, she wondered, what makes these cookies so special? She pondered on the question, her mind buzzing with possibilities. Was it the secret ingredient? The ancient jar? Or perhaps the magic itself? The next day, she baked the cookies and shared them with her friends. As they took their first bite, they felt a strange sensation, like their worries melting away. They laughed louder, played harder, and felt happier than ever before. Lily was amazed at the effect the cookies had on her friends. She realized that these cookies were not just ordinary treats, but magical ones. But still, she was puzzled about the source of their magic. She decided to spend a whole week researching and experimenting. She baked and shared dozens of cookies, observing the reactions of her friends. To her delight, every time they ate the magical cookies, they felt happier and more energetic. One day, while reading an old book in the library, she found the answer. The magical cookies were infused with the positive energy of the people who had baked them with love and happiness. The more love and joy put into the baking, the stronger the magic in the cookies. Lily was overjoyed. She understood the secret of the magic cookies. She realized that she had the power to spread happiness and positivity through her baking. From then on, she promised to bake the magical cookies whenever she wanted to brighten someone's day. The story of the magic cookie jar spread throughout Sweetville. People started to notice a change in the town. Everyone seemed happier, more energetic, and kinder. The magic cookies had worked their charm, turning Sweetville into a place filled with joy and positivity. And so, Lily, the young girl with the magical cookie jar, taught everyone a valuable lesson. She showed them that with a little love, a pinch of joy, and a dash of creativity, anyone can make a difference in the world. And most importantly, she reminded them that happiness is not something that comes from outside, but something we can create from within.